Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing a clean source image so the Ghibli look reads well. Choose a high-resolution photo with a distinct subject and uncluttered background. Once done, crop and straighten to frame the composition, then save a lossless master copy. Now make two duplicates, one for extracting line art and one to use as a color reference. This split lets you treat outlines and color separately, which is essential because Ghibli style relies on soft paints and clear, deliberate lines. Next, trace clean, expressive lines over your duplicate. Use a variable width brush around 1.5 to 3 px to emulate hand-drawn ink. While tracing, simplify complex textures and flatten forms. Ghibli favors readable shapes, so remove noisy details and keep curves smooth. Once the line layer is done, add flat color layers beneath. Pick a muted palette of 6 to 8 harmonious hues. Then lock the line layer and lay down base colors, which lets you focus on soft shading without disturbing the inks. Finish by adding soft, layered shading. Use low-opacity airbrushes and multiply layers to build warm, painterly depth that mimics celluloid lighting. Then introduce gentle atmospheric effects, very subtle grain, a slight bloom on highlights, and faint rim light to evoke that dreamy Ghibli feel. Once satisfied, merge copies into a final file and export at original resolution with sRGB. If you spot color shifts or edge artifacts, reopen the file. Verify masks and color profile, and re-export. That single fix resolves most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.